This is R.D. Sharma Solution Class 12, Chapter 5, Algebra of Matrices. Exercises 5.2. Find x and y satisfying the matrix equations. So there are two parts here. We'll do one by one. So we have to add the two matrices on the left and equate it to the right hand side. So what we'll do is, I am adding it directly, x minus y plus 3, then 2 plus minus 2, that is going to be 0, negative 2 and 2 again will be 0. Next row, 4 plus 1, 5, x plus 0, x, 6 minus 1 is 5. And this is equal to 6, 5, 0, 2x plus y, and 0 and 5. Now let us equate it. This x is 2x plus y. So there is a relationship between x and y now. X equals 2x plus y. That is, if you take this here, x is minus y or y is minus x, you can say. Now the second equation, x minus y plus 3 is equal to 6. That is, x minus y is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3. X is equal to minus y. So just write minus y here. Minus 5 minus y is 3. Minus 2y is equal to 3. Y will be equal to negative of 3 by 2. What is x? Negative 3 by 2. That is positive 3 by 2. Okay. This is how we get x and y. Coming to the second part. The same thing we have to add and equate. X plus y is 4. That is, x and y you have to add. So x plus y. Y plus 2 you have to add with 4. Y plus 6 it will be. Z minus 3 plus 5. So z 5 minus 3 is 2. So z plus 2 it will be. And this is equal to 4, 9 and 12. Now let us equate it. So when you equate this, y plus 6 and z plus 2. X plus y is equal to 4. Y plus 6 is equal to 9. And z plus 2 is equal to 12. So y will be equal to 9 minus 6, that is going to be 3. Z is 12 minus 2, that is going to be 10. And x plus y is equal to 4. So we have x equals 4 minus y. Y we already know. Just put in here. So it will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. So this is how we get the values, all the values. Next is twice of this matrix plus this matrix is equal to this matrix. So we have to find x and y. So let us multiply this matrix by 2. I am directly multiplying it. And then you have to add. So 2 into 3 is 6, 5 into 10, 10, 5 into 5 2 is a 10, 4 to the 8, and this is 2x. Now I am directly adding first and second matrix, right? So the 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus y, then we have 10 plus 0, that is going to be 10, and 2x plus 1. This is equal to 7, 10 and 0 and 5. Okay, equate it. 7 is already 7. 8 plus y is 0. So you get y equals minus 8, negative of 8. 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2x will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So x will be equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. This is how you get the value of x and y. So this is how you have to write actually. Okay, I am just giving you hints, logic, reasoning. Find the value of a lambda, a non-zero scalar, if lambda into this plus 2 into this is equal to this. So let us multiply this by 2. I am writing it here only. 2 ones are 2. This is negative 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 6. 2, 3 is 6. 2, 2, 4. Okay. Now let us multiply this by lambda. So you will get a lambda here. Lambda into 0 is 0. 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda, 5 lambda. Okay, all this red you see, just add it and then equate it to the right hand side matrix. So first will be lambda. This is what we have done. Lambda multiplied by first matrix, then 2 into multiplied by second matrix, then we add them and then equate it to the third matrix. So this will be, I'm directly doing it, lambda plus 2, then we have 0 plus 4, so 4 it will be 2 lambda plus 6. The second row will be 3 lambda minus 2, 4 lambda minus 3, minus 6, sorry, 4 lambda minus 6, and 5 lambda and 4, so that is 5 lambda plus 4. And this is equivalent to 4, 4, 10, 4 to 14. Now just equate this, and you don't have to do for every element. Just take the first element. Lambda plus 2 is equal to 4, so you get lambda equals 4 minus 2. Lambda will be equal to 2. This is how you get. Find a matrix X such that 2a plus b plus x equals 0. A and b are given. So this equation is just like a normal equation we have already done when we were learning the linear equation, etc. Or equation with one variable, two variable. So we have to find x. What we'll do? 2a plus b plus x is equal to 0. In order to find x, we'll take 2a and b on the right hand side. That is, x will be equal to negative of 2a and negative of b. Take negative outside, 2a plus b you will get. So what you have to do is multiply this by 2. So minus 2, 4, 6 and 8 you will get. Then add it with b. So I'm directly doing it. All this green you saw, after multiplication, we'll add it with b. So minus 2 plus 3. It will be 1. 3 minus 2, 3 and minus 2 we are adding. It will be 1. 4 and minus 2, that is going to be 4 and 2, that is going to be 2. Then the second row, 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 5 is 13. And now, as I said, just take the negative sign of all these. That will be the final solution. Negative 1 minus 2, just write it here, minus 7 and minus 13 also. This is your final answer. The second part of this same question is A is this, B is this. Find the matrix X of order 3 by 2 such that 2a plus 3x equals 5b. Now A is given, B is given, X needs to be found out. This is an NCERT question. 2a plus 3x equals 5b. In order to find out 3x will be on the left hand side, 5b minus 2a will do. So we'll do what? We'll do the first one, that is 5 into b. So scalar multiplication of 5 with b. So I'm directly writing it here. I'm multiplying this b matrix with 5 and writing 5 to the 10, minus 10, 5 to the 20, again 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25, negative 25, and 5 on the 5. Okay. Minus twice of a. Take the scalar multiplication of 2 with this matrix A. So I'm directly writing it 8 to the 16, 0, 4 to the 8, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, 2 3 the 6, and 6 to the 12. Now let us take the subtraction here. 10 minus 16 is a negative 6, minus 10 minus 0 is minus 10, 20 minus 8 is 12. See, 3 is there. Sometimes it may happen that the right hand side can be easily divided by whatever scalar value on the left hand side. Sometimes it may not be. Let us see the case now. So we may get all the multiples of 3 on the right hand side or may not be. 20 minus 8 is 12, 10 minus or minus 4 is 14, minus 25 minus 6 is minus 31, 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Now this is 3x. Now just divide all these by 3. That is, take the scalar multiplication of 1 by 3 with all these. So divide by 3. Whichever can be divided, just divide it. Others you can just write it. Like minus 6 by 3 is minus 2, 12 by 3 is 4. Others cannot be divided, just write it like this, minus 10 by 3 here. Then we have 14 by 3, minus 31 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. That will be your final answer. Find x, y, z if, okay. So 3 into this equals this plus this, and I'm writing it directly. Just multiply this by 3, so 3x, 3z, 3 into y is 3y, and 3 into t. This is equivalent to this left hand side we have 2 matrix, so I am directly adding it. X plus 4, 4 plus x, 6 plus x plus y, just write it as x plus y plus 6. Then we have z plus t minus 1, z plus t minus 1, and 2t plus 3. 2t plus 3. And now just equate it. When you equate it, you will get all the values, right? So 3x equals 4 plus x. X comes here, it will be 2x equals 4. X will be equal to 2 to the 4, 2 you get. So 3y equals x plus y plus 6, x already known, 2, so just put in here, and 6 plus 2 will be equal to, 6 plus 2 is 8, so 3y minus y is 2y, 2y is 8, y is equal to 4. The next one, 3t equals 3 plus 2t, so t will be equal to 3. One more, 3z equals z plus t minus 1, and t is already known to us. So 3z minus z is 2z equals t minus 1, t is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, so z is 2 by 2, that is 1. That is going to be 1. Okay. The second part, this is an NCERT CBSE 2002 and 2012. You just have to do 2x, 5 into 2, 10, 7 is 14, 2 into y minus 3. Just add it and equate it to 7, 14, 15, 14. Okay. I hope you will be able to do it. We just did the first part. Same, exactly same you have to do. So this is the final answer if you ever want to have a glimpse. In a certain city, there are 30 colleges. Each college has 15 peons, 6 clerks, 1 typist, 1 section officer. Express the given information as a column matrix. Using scalar multiplication, find the total number of posts of each kind in all the colleges. So there will only be column. There will be no 2 columns. Rows can be any number. Since it is being asked that we have to find out the total number of posts, that is for 30 colleges, we'll do it later. But we'll just make a column and write all the values which are given. 15 peons, I'm just writing that. How many peons are there? How many peons? 15. How many clerks? 6. How many typists? 1. How many section officer? 1. Okay. So this is the whole scenario of a column matrix. But there are 30 colleges. So how many of them will be there? You have to multiply a scalar 30 with this column. So 30 into 15 is 450. 30 into 6 is 180. 31 is 30. So this is the final answer. Total number of posts of each kind. Okay, this is all about this exercise. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.